6 Investigates gets results tonight. A Brownsburg mom was worried sick after she shipped off her family's home videos to be digitized but never got them back.
That's right. She contacted Call 6 investigator Kara Kenny for help, and tonight Kara's got an important update on the case.
Family is everything to Marcy Al-Hamidi. That's why she wanted to transfer their home videotapes to DVD. So this past November, she shipped them off to Peggy Bank in Omaha, Nebraska. When July rolled around and Marcy didn't have her originals or her order back, she contacted Call 6 Investigates. On July 3rd, we went to the Indianapolis address listed on Peggy Bank's website. The CEO of Memory Ventures told us they took over Peggy Bank's backlog of orders from across the country. And to our surprise, the CEO invited us back into their warehouse and tracked down Marcy's tapes.
You texted me the text of my box of videos. That was the awe moment for me. I was like, oh, okay, they're physically somewhere, and they haven't been lost or put in the dumpster somewhere.
11 days after we left the warehouse, Marcy's tapes and DVD dubs finally arrived on her doorstep.
I was completely relieved. Finally got all my tapes back, which was my biggest fear, of course, is not getting those back.
Marcy loves watching her new DVDs, videos of her 7- and 8-year-old boys when they were babies.
That brings back a lot of memories, yes. Fun stuff.
Marcy's not happy it took 8 months and thinks the company could do a better job of communicating with customers. No one answers the phone, for example.
They would have just publicized the problem and said, hey, we've, changed companies. We do physically have your tapes.
But she's glad she called us.
I don't know if I would have gotten them back, honestly, but it was never about the money from the beginning. It was always about getting my tapes back and getting those memories back.
A happy ending for this Brownsburg mom. Her family's memories back where they belong.
Great work as always. Thank you, Kara. Memory Ventures tells us they've still got about 800 orders in that backlog, and that's expected to take about a month to get through.